Tecnologia! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Redmi Note 14C. So this is the 16 GB RAM model and it has 256 GB storage. And I also got the black color version of it. So without further ado, let's open this up and see how it is. So this feels quite heavy than the other phones. So let's see what else they give in this box. Okay, so it does come with a clear case, which is quite nice. And it comes with the usual USB to Type-C cable as well as a 33-watt charger. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That what the box comes with. So the funny thing I noticed is that you see this phone has 4 holes, like I mean camera holes behind, right? But one has the flash, fine, and then there are 2 holes for the camera that's on the left and right, and the bottom one, it's not a camera, it just says 50 MP. So this is just the unboxing part of the video, and I'll be making another video on the camera and the entire phone review. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave a like or subscribe, and thanks for watching.